न्या प्रभु दया कर मोरे तुम बिन के दयालु जगत संसारे। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया कर मोरे तुम बिन के दयालु जगत संसारे। पतित पावन हेतु तव अवतारा मुसमा पतित प्रभु ना पाइबे यार। हा हा प्रभु नित्यानंद प्रेमानंद सुखे कृपा बल काना करो हमी बड़ो दुखे। दया करो सीतापति अद्वैत गोसाई कबा कृपा बल्ले पाय चैतन्यानिताय। हा हा स्वरूप सनातन रूप रघुनाथ भट्ट जोग श्री जीवा प्रभु लोकनाथ। दया करो श्री आचार्य प्रभु श्रीनिवासा रामचंद्र संगा मांगे नरोत्तम दास। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया कर मोरे तुम बिन के दयालु जगत संसारे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva हरिनाम संकीर्तन महोत्सव की जय। भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी शिल प्रबंध महाराज की जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासां ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। Whenever I have a wet tilakam, the fly always comes and sits on tilakam. I don't know. I drive it away, again she'll come back and sit on my tilakam. I don't know who she is, I have no idea, but she is very much fond of my tilakam. Hare Krishna. So today we shall be taking from Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Leela, first chapter, the spiritual master, text 20. ग्रंथेर आरंभे करी मंगलाचरण गुरु वैष्णव भगवान तीनेर शरण। ग्रंथेर of this book, आरंभे in the beginning, kari I made, Mangalacharan auspicious invocation, Guru the spiritual master, Vaishnava the devotees of the Lord, Bhagavan the supreme person of Godhead, Tinera of these three, Smarana remembering. Translation. In the beginning of this narration, simply by remembering the spiritual master, the devotees of the Lord, and the person of Godhead, I have invoked their benediction. Om Jnanatimmirandasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshmantam Venam Tasmai Sri Gurube Namah Sri Chaitanya Mano Vishtam Astapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supadantikam Bandeyaham Sri Guru Shada Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidyantam Sajivam Sadhvitam Sabadutam Parijan Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesa Gopi Kakanta Radha Kanta Namastute Taptikanjana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhani Sade Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataro Vesha Kripa Sindhuve Vacha Patita Nama Pavane Vyo Vaishnave Vyo Namo Nama Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Vishnu Budre Shrimati Japadaka Swaminiti Namane Namacharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Pradayane Gaur Gatha Damadaya Nagar Gram Tarne Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Vishnu Budre Shrimati Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namane Namaste Saraswati Gauramani Pacharani Nirvisheshwanyavadi Pashadi Starine Jai Srila Prabhupada. Nowadays what is happening? Whenever I am trying to speak about the God, I am getting cough. Otherwise, no cough at all. Whole day lying on the bed doing this and that, no cough at all. But as soon as I say Jai Sri Krishna, Prabhu Nitya. So you'll excuse me for that. It is nothing special, but because of old age, maybe short of breath or whatever it is, but it's funny. So two things, you start coughing and that fly is always on my head. Sometime maybe in my ear, giving me something what you are supposed to speak today. So, Granther Arambe Kari Mangalacharana. Mangalacharana means invoking the auspiciousness. Why is that? Because in the age of Kali, everything is polluted. Our body is polluted, our thoughts are polluted, our surrounding is polluted, husband is polluted, wife is polluted, children are polluted, whole environment is polluted. So in order to bring that auspiciousness, one has to do Mangalacharan. See, I invoke their benediction. You see, you may have a father. Now, without doing anything, you have got father's property, right? Without doing much. But sometimes, if you are not favorable to the father, he can disown you. He can disown you. There are many reasons that people have disowned their children. So, in order to get that property, the benediction, you have to be very lovable to your parents. Similarly, our gurus also have a lot of riches. Here, guru has riches, devotees have riches, and personal God have riches. So, in order to get their riches, to share their riches, we have to be very faithful. Smarana, Sanskrit is Smarana. What is Smarana? Thinking of them that what are the instructions they have left for me. Thinking not simply, Krishna was in Vrindavan and then he did like this and he did like this. That's in a way okay. But what I am supposed to do, that is called Smarana. The application part of it. Sarvana is very good. Sarvanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Asmaranam. And what is Kirtan, as I am explaining the other day, that you have to talk about over and over again. What you have talked about, whatever you have heard from your Guru, and whatever you have learned from the devotees. And what a personal Godhead. He simply says, Manamana Mad Bhaktu. So simply not remembering them, but trying to put act on them. So he says, I have invoked their benediction, and the Chaitanya Charitamrita will be written so very nicely. It is not the efforts of Krishnadas Kaviraja Goswami. It is the benediction that was working. Prabhupada said it many times. Baldev Vidyabhushana had said publicly that the Bhasya that I have written is Govinda Bhasya, because I was only taking the dictation, everything was done by the Govind Devji. So similarly, if you want to share the riches of your Guru, if you want to share the riches of the devotees, if you want to share the riches of the Supreme Personal Godhead, you have to be humble and follow their instruction without addition, without thinking favorable or not favorable. One in Vrindavan, when Yogi was giving a class on Krishna, and he was saying, in the name of Krishna, anybody can do anything, this is a guarantee. So there is a lady sitting there. She had come from home with the milk pot, and she had to go across Yamuna to sell it. And she got convinced whatever the Maharaj is saying, name of Krishna is really so potent. Katha finished. She said, oh my God, I have to go across Yamuna to sell my produce, to sell my milk. When she went to the Yamuna, my good gracious God, the Yamuna was, rising up. There's a particular word of this, I forget it. The rising up. And she got scared. So, my God, it means today I have lost my income. So she remember what Guru has said. And she says, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, she just went to the Yamuna and she thought there is a stone. She stood on the stone. And that stone took her across. It was a tortoise. So tortoise took her across. She went there, sold the milk, came back, and he said, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And she found the same stone again. And she stood on the stone. And then stone brought to another side. And she was very happy. Yes, the name of Krishna is everything in life, there is nothing. And the same thing we should also understand. Every one of you. There is only name of Krishna. There is nothing in the world. Sache darbar ki jai. Sache naam ki jai. So again, she wanted to know more about Krishna. She came there again the next day, or after 2-3 days, and she was hearing the glories of Krishna. And she raised her hand. Guru Maharaj, I have a personal experience. He said, what is personal experience? The other day, whatever you told, I applied it and I went across Yamuna. So Guru Maharaj said, पागल हो गई है क्या? ऐसा भी होता है? पत्थर चल के जाए? हैं? बेवकूफ बना दिया? चल एक तरफ बैठ. तो जो भगवान की कथा करते हैं उनको भी भरोसा नहीं होता है कि भगवान करेंगे, लेकिन जो सुनता है उसको भरोसा करनी चाहिए. अब मेरे को भगवान पे भरोसा हो ना हो, लेकिन तुम मेरी बात सुन रहे हो, तुम्हें भगवान पे भरोसा होना चाहिए कि प्रभु जी बस सही कर. तो कहते हैं, इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ नरेशन आई सिंपली इन्वोक्ड द ऑस्पिशियसनेस by remembering Guru, spiritual master, a devotee, and personal Godhead. Actually, all the three of them, they have same aim. And the aim is to get out of this material world. That's the aim. And one can easily achieve it. It's not a big thing to practice. Simply, three words are there, Hare, Ram and Krishna, and that's it. And they have the potency, not that you have a potency that you chant and no. The name has itself a potency. I don't know, the other day I told you one very nice anecdote. In German, there is a girl, she had to come back from office and she got late. And by coming late, she missed 2-3 trains. The last train she got, it was at 10:30 in the night. She boarded the train, reached her station. Now from that station, her house was roughly 1 kilometer. It was a dense dark. She was shivering. My God, what if something happened? What if something happened? But she was pacing, she was just like running, and she would find somebody from behind is following her up. So the devotees, she started saying, Krishna, 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 where are you? And she's running. And she could see that she could feel the breath of that fellow on her neck. And all of a sudden she said, Krishna. And thereafter, nobody was behind. She went home. She thanked Krishna. She promised from tomorrow, even if I lose my job, I'll get out in time. Nothing doing. Night time I don't take risk. Next morning she just got up. She saw a newspaper The frontline newspaper was there. At about the same time, 10:30 to 11:30, between 10 and 11:30, the same road she was coming, she found one girl was murdered. She looked at it. She said, oh my God, it was the same time I was there. What must have happened? So she was meditating. So she thought, the person is already caught. Yeah, let me just see him and ask him for my own satisfaction, what must have happened? So with a great difficulty, she got the pass to beat him in the jail. And there is a barricade. So he says, look, I think that day I was also there. And he started laughing. Yeah, actually I wanted to catch you only. But then what happened? Well, all of a sudden there are two boys over there. One Negro and one white fellow, very tall. And they pushed me out. And their push was so strong, I couldn't get up. Huh? And then my fortune, another girl came and I killed her. So this girl started crying, wailing like anything. He said, my God, my Krishna and Baldev have come to rescue me. This fellow saying, you're crazy, you are alive, you are saved, why you are crying? He said, I'm crying for two things. One, you bloody fellow, you are very lucky that you have seen Krishna Balaram. And second thing, how unfortunate I am. Even if I was killed, I would have seen Krishna and Balaram. So that's why I'm crying. So न जाने किस भेष में नारायण मिल जाए. So every now and then we have to think of a spiritual master, Richard. What is spiritual master had? He has the riches of the Harinam, of Shastra, Gyan and Vigyan. So if you want to share from your Guru Maharaj, you have to be loyal to him. The devotees also have plenty of riches and they are distributed freely. But you can only get free if you go near to them. If you don't go near to them, you won't get it right. And same Supreme Personality of Godhead. He says, Bhoktaram yagna tapasam sarvalokam maheshwaram. Surdam sarvabhutanam santim richati. In order to you want to achieve the perfect shanti, hey, then go near to the Krishna. What is about it? So now, in conclusion, always remember the instruction of your gurus. You are hearing a guru every now and then. So many of hearing the gurus. Maybe Radha Govind Maharaj, you all are hearing. I don't know how many of you are changing your life according to the instruction Maharaj is giving. These instructions are not a story. They are the instruction for elevate our consciousness. To elevate our consciousness. You may be hearing Prabhupada. You may be reading Prabhupada. But how many of us are really getting into it? To the root cause. To mitigate our suffering. To enjoy the life. Otherwise, that Gujarati proverb is there. Pustak ma banchyo, pustak ma samayo. So, if you are hearing your guru, if you are reading Bhagavatam, if you are hearing the devotee, if there is no change in your life, then it is only Sukriti. It is not a bhakti at all. Sukriti, fine, nothing wrong with that. And then Sukriti, aneka janma samsiddhi. But if you are taking certain percentage every day in your life, whatever you heard, then life becomes very sublime. You can enjoy the life. You can understand the purpose of life. Then you always remain happy. Even in all the difficulties. You just laugh. My good gracious God. Once there was a Pathan. And during this rainy season, he lost his house. So it was in the evening, lost his house. You are saying, Ya Allah, Allah Kareem. All because of him, fine, no problem. So then what happened? You know, the बिजली चमकती है, बिजली चमकती है, बिजली चमकी, उसको बड़ा गुस्सा आया, क्या खुदा सब कुछ ले लिया, फिर टॉर्च जला के क्यों देख रहा है? बोले मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, अब टॉर्च क्यों जला रहा है? आप समझ गए? तो वो समझता है कि खुदा टॉर्च जला के कुछ बचा तो नहीं है, वो भी ले लूं। आइए आज हम प्रण कर रहे हैं कि थोड़ी बहुत शिक्षा जो मुझे गुरु से मिलती है, थोड़ी बहुत शिक्षा जो मुझे अपने डिवोटियों से मिलती है, जो कुछ भगवान के बारे में मैंने पढ़ा सुना, जब हम गीता के बारे में सुनते हैं डायरेक्टली हम भगवान से सुन रहे हैं। जब मैंने सुना तो मैं अपने जीवन को कैसे मोड़ूं, आध्यात्म में कैसे रहता हूँ। ये भौतिक बात कुछ क्षण रहेगा, हम आपको बताइए, आपको परसों भूमि के हम बता रहे थे, यहाँ कोई नहीं रहेगा और जो रहेगा परेशान ही रहेगा। तो क्यों न मिलकर ऐसी भक्ति करें, अपने को उतारें, अपनों को उतारें, आने वाली पीढ़ी को उतारें। कितना आसान है, कदोदाम लागे नहीं, इसमें कोई पैसा खर्च नहीं होता, पर ध्यान धारणा है, समाधि है, शांत कीचड़ मजे में रहिए। तो मैं इसके साथ अपनी वाणी को यहीं पे समाप्त करता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आप लोगों ने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया। खैर परपुर यहाँ कहीं नहीं है, लेकिन अब क्योंकि अब स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर की बात थी, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा इसको लम्बा मैंने खींच दिया। आई होप यू हैं 2 दिन में आ जाएगी।